guys struck with the bet.
Little does he know, it's just a prank, bro.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Ready?
What are you doing, you damn idiots?
Whoa!
It's just a prank.
Whoa!
Now pretend like we're waiting.
Okay guys, that was a pretty good prank, but we gotta go. He's got shot.
Go check out, see what the hospital can do with us,
Later
Bruce.
video.
Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, YouNow. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Help us get to 50 subscribers. Thank you.